for that wonderful speech. Now I invite the second participants from the same school, Tabarika Zuhur, to take the stage. Put your hands together for Tabarika Zuhur.
राहें जुदा सही मगर मंजिल हमारी एक है, राहें जुदा सही मगर मंजिल हमारी एक है, रंग जुदा सही मगर तस्वीर हमारी एक है, जुबानें जुदा सही मगर आवाज़ हमारी एक है, हम सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं यही पहचान हमारी एक है, कदम से कदम मिलाएंगे मिलकर नया हिंदुस्तान बनाएंगे. Respected chief guests, honorable judges, esteemed teachers, dear friends and my dear fellow Indians, a very warm good morning to all of you present here and a very happy Independence Day. The future depends on what we do in the present. These inspiring words of Mahatma Gandhi remind us that the India of tomorrow is being built by the actions we take today. Imagine an India where every child receives quality education, every farmer is empowered with modern technology, every woman feels safe and respected, every village is digitally connected, every citizen enjoys quality healthcare, and every young person has an opportunity to fulfill their dreams. Isn't this India we all wish to see? The question is not whether the India can become a developed nation. The real question is, are we ready to make it happen? Today, I, Tabarika Zuhur from class 7, stand before you to speak on the topic Together Towards a Developed India. India is not just a country, it's a civilization that has inspired the world for thousands of years. It's a land where Buddha preached peace, where Swami Vivekananda awakened youth, where Mahatma Gandhi proved that non-violence is stronger than violence, and where Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam inspired millions to dream big. Our journey from independence 1947 to becoming one of the world's fastest growing economies has been extraordinary. From food shortage to becoming one of the largest producers of food grains, from importing technology to launching missions to the moon and Mars, India has shown that determination can transform dreams into reality. But friends, development is not measured by tall buildings or modern highways. A truly developed India is one where no child sleeps hungry, no student is deprived of education, no patient is denied healthcare, and no talented youth remains unemployed. Dear friends, the youth of India are not merely the citizens of tomorrow, they are the leaders of today. At this, more than half of our population is young. This demographic strength is our greatest asset. If our youth are educated, skilled, disciplined and innovative, India will undoubtedly emerge as a global leader. Education is the foundation of development. Every classroom shapes the future of our nation. Every teacher lights the lamp of knowledge. Every student carries within them the potential to become a scientist, doctor, engineer or a leader. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam wisely said, dream is not what you see while sleeping. It is something that doesn't let you sleep. Technology has become another pillar of our progress. Today, India is leading in digital payments, software development, space exploration, innovation. However, development must also be sustainable. We cannot destroy our nature by building our future. Clean rivers, green forests, and renewable energy are pollution-free. And pollution-free cities are essential for well-being of future generations. Planting a tree today is not an environmental act. It's a gift to tomorrow. Women's empowerment is equally important. A nation cannot move forward while half of its population is left behind. Every girl deserves education, respect, equal opportunities. When women succeed, families prosper, society progress, and nation become more stronger. A developed India is not responsibility of government alone. It is the responsibility of every citizen, every working hand, every helping hand, every innovative idea, and every sincere effort bring us one step closer to our dream. Dear friends, history does not remember those who merely watched change happen. History remembers those who created change. The freedom fighters gave us political independence. Now it is our responsibility to just and economically strong, socially just, technologically advanced, environmentally responsible, and morally upright India. The dream of a developed India is not a distant destination. It is a journey that begins with each one of us. Here today at this very moment, let us rise above differences, let us work with honesty, let us dream without limits, let us serve without selfishness, and let us march together towards a brighter future. I conclude with the inspiring words of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and not till the goal is reached. Together, let us not simply dream of a developed India. Together, let us build it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.